I'm Lemon and today we're going to make boba tea. Okay. So first,
I go first.
I go first. Let's look.
I go first. You have already.
Yeah. Just look.
No, I go first.
It's poured out. It's going out.
Oh my God. OMG.
Just quickly. We don't have any more time. I'm not waiting for you.
I use
Quickly.
some small one.
You see, is it black? And it is really creamy. Just look at it. It don't even fall down. Really, really. But it's okay. Okay, so are you finished?
Okay.
You are taking a lot of time doing that things. Okay, just look. I'm really quickly. Just look at that. This is why I'm so fast. Okay.
Okay, so me one last time for
No!
you fit in my cups.
You're eating too much. Are you serious?
Okay.
You seriously?
So now and
No, next is we need to doing this.
why?
So the sauce is going up like this. So lovely all the age like that.
Okay. So I do it for my bag.
Really good. Okay, after that, just put it right here. Okay, after that, we're using this. Follow me. Wait, follow me.
I know.
Like that, you know?
She look good.
It needs to be good. Lily, that's my style. Just look at it.
So later I will do it. Okay.
Really good.
For you now, it's for me.
Yeah, that's right. She's doing really good. So this is the most important step. So our tea is going to be the best. Okay, so have you guys seen?
Why it don't stop?
Oh my God! Just look at the age. Good. Really good.
It's me.
Okay. Put a little more. Okay.
Why you was so many?
So after that, we put some milk
Okay.
inside of it.
So you pour in a little bit. I'm gonna scared to pour in.
Yeah, I'm finished. That's it a lot.
My cup not fit in. They have a little bit, but they don't fit
Yeah,
in.
it's okay. It's okay.
Later
Okay,
I will put it.
so after it, I'm gonna put 1 cube of ice.
Oh.
OMG. Just look how beautiful.
I need you.
What?
I need you to drink first. Because it don't fit. Because when I put it, it will.
After that,
explode.
we put a sauce. This sauce on top of it, so it make it really, really beautiful. Okay, just look at
So little.
like that. It needs to be beautiful and gorgeous. So just look at it. I'm gonna put.
I don't think so.
Put on top of the ice, so it made it becoming beautiful. Yeah, this is going to be the best boba tea, cup of boba tea. Just look at it. Oh, so beautiful, really beautiful. So if you like it, please like this video. Okay,
Oh my God.
let's try to drink it. Okay, so you guys can see on my hand is the new my homemade boba tea, and it's really, really good. Lily, just look at it. Inside of it, there's boba. Lily,
So I will put some in it.
is it really good for our health? Lily, we have been really naughty. It's normal to doing that. Okay, so let's try some boba. So we wanted to make it really, really beautiful. So she putting some cacao and on top of it. So it make it really feel it really good. Why are you using mine?
Sorry.
You idiot!
Something nice.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Why don't you use yours? What you have done? You squat. You idiot. You're bad. Baddies. Really good. It really tasty. And now, after that, we need to make it together so it is turned into the other colors. Just look. You see, it's turned yellow. Lovely, another yellow. Just look at it. Oh, it have turned yellow. So, the next step is enjoy the food. Lovely, enjoy the drink. What are you doing? You're doing really good. Just look at it. Some boba, enjoy it. Really not bad. Is it one of the best kind of tea? I love this boba tea. Really, I love to make it at home. It's better than when I buy it because it cost me a lot more money than I thought.
It's 23 Vietnamese down.
Really expensive.
Yeah. That for you is expensive, and me too think.
You're not good at doing this.
Sorry, okay? You always remind me.
Yeah,
Whatever.
really good. If you like this video, please like this video.
Look at my eyes. It's all colorful too.
And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.
Your channel.
Our channel. So it is. That would be our video.